Good morning, children. In this video, we are going to learn about is it good to have political competition? First video, we learn why elections are necessary. Then we learn which type of elections are democratic. If elections are held, then competition should be there or not. Competition means what? Like in battlefield, all political parties enter to contest elections. Is it good or bad? That we will discuss in this video. Elections are all about politics or political competitions. Every party wants to win. There are competitions between them. All these things are happen in elections. If it is not there, then how elections will be called as election? In election, political competition is correct. There is a fair opportunity to the parties. Those who wants to come forward, but there is some demerits. Now we will see the demerits. That you give open challenge to all parties with legal provisions. Means like first point is given that clearly an electoral competition has many demerits. All political parties are allowed, all types of people are allowed, whether they are literate or illiterate, either they are rich or poor. So, there is some demerits. It means that when electoral competition held, it creates a sense of disunity and functionalism. What does the word functionalism means? When all political parties participate in election, that time every political wants to win, and to win they use religion, caste and cultural to increase the votes. When they use this sensitive area like religion, caste and culture, society starts to divide and creates disunity or develops disunity because political leaders and political parties divide the society according to them to fulfill their motives. The next point, parties level allegation use dirty tricks. Now you have seen in news that some good things are happen and some bad things are happen. If ruling party is doing something, so it is decided that opposition party will oppose. They will take out some low falls. Parties are alligating to each other. One party on another and another party on third. They use dirty tricks like corruption, muscle power is used. No long term policies can be formulated. According to political competition, the government changes after a time period like 5 to 10 years. No long term vision is not there. When party changes idea, idea changes, plan changes, policies changes, all things changes. Long term vision you can set, but people are also like that. They cannot allow the party to work. Like in Rajasthan state record, we will check after every 5 years the government changes of different parties. If you will give long term chance to rule to a party, how it will work for long term. So, parties also set small goals to make people in their favor to come again next elections. Here, both the sides is having mistake. So they can set long term policies. Or so how they can set long term policies? So they think only to win the next election, so they doesn't think about the long term visions. Good people who may wish to serve the country do not enter the arena. The good people, those who wants to do something for nation, they can't enter this arena. They think that politics is wrong state segment for him to work. Otherwise, the politics will be played with him also. So the people who wants to serve for the nation, they doesn't want to enter to this arena because there is something wrong in politics. But many leaders are there that they are social activists or environmentalists. They can do good things for nation, but they don't want to go in politics. Why? Because this not the correct place. There is much competition here. They think that because of political competition, their good image will get affected. This we have seen some demerits. By seeing the demerits, you learn the political competition creates some disadvantages. It creates problems. Now, we will see the political leaders, the constitution makers, not aware of it. Yes, they are aware of it. They know if there will be open political competitions, this problem will arise. Still, they have given in constitution about this open competition. They have thought something about it. What do you think? There may be chances, chances of increasing disunity or the country will get divided. Still, you are keeping this thing means something idea is behind it. They have think some better. What is that? That is motivation for political leaders to work. How? When competition is there, like you know, when in class only, you are the students, you get, if you got 50%, means suppose you are only the student in the class and you got 50%, so you are only the winner. Like that, only one party is there where it will work or not. They know next time again they win because nobody is there to compete them. So that's why competition is necessary. When you study with your friends, you develop competition in you. When competition will develop in you, you will study much better. Like that, any political leaders want to remain in power or position, they have to work for people. If they will not work, another will work and they will removed. Despite of some demerit, still political competition is good because it motivates the leaders to work them.